Chingak chingiana indo mwanchi omurigereri begetaseni kya Ndizi TV no kwegena kwande buna no genderete gutwara omugasoro motero kigima nane no genderete kwego kya soko bwate mirobero yonsi yeritko ya rero ekirorero itko ya ijuma cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba ekerongo kwariganya SMS Amayia irongo manyemuna nara yana kwariganire asenchera ere yobenge nyora sensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyaro wetra Ndizi TV News na somutandao Twitter na bagotwi Twitter @Ndizi TV News ero tagendere gusanga na boigo kwemanya mange. Oria toko bwatrana nere asoko ene kechibicha nerio gichawe ikere nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama na ncheretariane Everlyne Osero sanga na intwe goika omwerio toko ya chaka centre ya bene kurwase county ya Kisii awase omoro kiwoyo mo aserieta Emmanuel Houru kurwa ase kenyorokia bomero wa ititi ewodi ya boge kaibunge ya Kitutu Chache South abeire kagusaba obokonyi erio kwegendereria na masomaye nigakorta matemwaye ye klasi ya 12 gose KCSE omwaka w'echi 2020 noyomo ekerobono arangiretwe ase University ya Zete ero gucha gosomera obwalimu korende tachia koikerania endoto yaye yokogendereria amasomo kubwatikana nobotaka obubwatete eyamateyo gatie mechandende ya mwirete ere kuborwa school fees nabona nigasaganirie abarai nabo igabasamaria bayawe sokya na kumusira konyora chibesa eria bega goswase university eyo na kwegendereria asa masomaye ere ikirania endoto yaye
samalitangoro ku Emmanuel Houru ndo mwana mutangi se family yetu tura abana batatu mama na tata iga wasirete atuwa sama wako ababo amaenenga abaibuli bayemba asirete ebagatiwa abana batatu igara sama wako angina koro oyukuru kusisilia ngona arangire tuko school ya Zitek University awenta akara degree of Bachelor and Education and Arts. Itukoli admission na cheta wake school ya Zitek. Kabwata ngadifa sengenje yole mweru wechibesa.
Na nyorete B+ akarangirwa Zitek University Ruiru. Nakonya ochira abantu roche, ochira abantu mugondo, watiri abantu chinko.
Ndiyo bakonyi akairukatino. Akasoma kurukatino, agaeta Tibase tikabora uko muire university. Mwana yabere risiko gaiga emyaka 2.
Nare go plead to our leaders. Teriko babichangi ya aseke nyoro bunabona kanya mwana okoriro mukya. Lakini amanya goikiranga na no tigara kabere kenyoro ime kokorera abantu chikonda era asakuja go discourage nona babande bare sukuru ngakino.
Na bunenche moyo koreta obokoreri bwenya ase abananchi asobwange kegimane ni me county ya Kisii nigobono enyagetari ya AAR yaberege koigora bene orosagia gose ekliniki aba orosagia rwa Kisii okwana chinga kecho nigo muteneneri obo aserieta Elizabeth Wasuna aberega kokera egetambukerekyo na komontogia omugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati askeria tebire buna nigo baraji kubwaterana asoko eneki ya barure obokoreri borobo ikiranu go cyase abananchi nigo nonyana bakwanire egati yobokoreri obakurwa buna abawenya kurwa senyagetari ya AAR.
This marks our first entrance into Kisii County and we are very honored with the endorsement of His Excellency Paul Simbarati, who officially opened the medical center for us. At the medical center we shall be providing GP services. We also have a pediatrician. We have all the other basic services that the clients who can come in and receive. And most importantly, we are at AAR Healthcare. We believe that healthcare is a basic right for each and every citizen of the country. We subscribe to SDG number 3 with a clear focus on well-being. We are driving a lot of preventative care, because we believe that a lot of the communicable diseases can actually be dealt with at the point of prevention.
We continue to focus on preventive healthcare solutions with the vaccine program, with the disease screening, particularly for prostate cancer, cervical cancer and other types of cancers, and guiding the patients to get forward treatment.
In this partnering of the public-private partnership, they are coming in handy to offer health services to the people of Kisii County. As well as you know, health is a devolved in our constitution, and so the Kisii County government is partnering with AAR so that they can offer the best health care to the people of Kisii County.
Igatia bamenyi korwase kaunti ya Nyamira nigo baruroko boria gochiase abarai bonsi bali bachorire kobwatarana no murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto erio wekirania amagendero yechingenjo au anene obwagachi bwechpara chiskuru bwagachi we university ya se kaunti ya Nyamira igatia amagendero anda manke yaniga gocha amatukomake magayo murai wense gotarera ensemo ya Nyamira na gocha kimirobero au ya amagendero gatia bo okoigorwa ogosego chake obwagachi we industry Park asensemo ya Sirunga igatambukero nonya nabo babiri bakogokera
intubuna abamenyi ntwagokera etaro yomo nene bwense ikiagera nareta magenderero ase omochi Sirunga
nagokekera omorayi bwense aigeta asense ito ya Sirunga
obolemi actually obolemi twetogosabanye ndi banyara chikateri kirusiwe eserikali buna yairite chae egera bali banyore chibese ponazi ekonya abana gisukuru
ne pale korwa pondeni roenda makaire yagenda magombo ne pale nkuru sana sikipara kiri chinkuru kitanye ko bekwerani nje togosaba nyende yako nyarekana mwesimi wetu Steve aboriye president nje to konsite pale yebe kwerani
kanyore institute yengiaiga na secondary schools tonyore egere tonyara kanyora university no yone mogaiga ase county ito ya Nyamira kyagara ntubwati no nyane yemo
nengelinga na intu abale mafu ntoga neiri kororekana na intu twaro runga na intu nabantu tole bono ntubwati njerende yonse toko ekonya ntubwati njera toko nyora no ene chibesa njerende teyo kolende twasabire omorai nera tororera mabera
Omurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigo aboririe abasaigo chamo na kobwatrana asokobeka omochangobo asamangana yogo nchureria kwerire eriogo konya sokorwania emechando au yekoreto kobwatkana nogo nchureria kwerire gokinya uchumi kana koreta amaunchurerio imense ya Kenya na boigo ase orogongo rwa Afrika na yaniga yakwana chinga kichomo sangrekano nabasae eriogo kwanera ose musangrekano bwekirenga kyamangana yogo nchureria kwerire uyokorekana emambia lero ase amagacho emisangrekano KICC imeyo muchio Nairobi.
I urge you, young people from our continent, to take action. Let us initiate this transformative shift together. Africa's youth, in my very honest opinion, are solution-oriented. You yearn for a vibrant economy powered by green jobs, and you possess a strong determination to scale up and maximize opportunities for climate action. With the convening of the Africa Youth Climate Assembly, you have fought your way to the table. And let me tell you that it is the same fight that we are pushing, that the continent of Africa must never continue to be the continent that is a victim to climate change, the continent that complains, the continent that doesn't have ideas. And we have insisted that we are going to change the approach of the continent of Africa. We are going to be armed with our own ideas, with our own proposals, with our assets, and with everything that we have. And we are going to find our way to the table. And we are going to sit on that table and give our ideas and suggest our proposals and make sure that we are part of the solution, not just a victim.
Chinga kiechboigo Dr. William Ruto nigabaga kora omoyega bwoko igorwa kwa magacho yogosira ebye wasabasae umo gosemaga chamanyikante buna Talanta Plaza ime yomocho Nairobi okwana chinga kiecho omo waziri otenerete amangana yabasae nabo igo chigosori mense ya Kenya Ababu na Mwamba nigo agokera egetambukerekyo na watana ni okira chigokonya mono abasae abumono konya orababwate chitalanta akorende chiabachigo sira ekero bakorire eskuru nigatere na wika babe bakubwaterana eryo gusira abasae.
Your Excellency, the building you have unveiled here today, appropriately named Talanta Plaza, is a symbol and a testament of the incredible work that your government has done in a brief less than 12 months in office. When we came to office, Your Excellency, we found an abandoned building, an abandoned construction site, and in less than 1 year, Your Excellency, you can see the results of the work of your government. This building is now going to be the home of the Ministry of Youth Affairs, the Arts and Sports. It is a significant milestone for this ministry, Your Excellency, because this ministry has been scattered all over the place. The ministry is at the library, the ministry is at Kencom House, the ministry is at Bruce House, the ministry is at NSSF House,
Kamati etenerete chingwana gati ya serikali na azimio la umoja One Kenya akora wana Kimani Ichung'wah na boigo Kalonzo Musyoka nigo yeiranira ebikaro magega yo wanchirwa kogenderana chingwana icho amone Senate nigo kamati eyo nonya nabo kageire gochia kubwatuka robotyo rwekiranu asegeka kiamatuko atano amatuko emerongo atano nemo ayo arebosyo asiboigo babeire bawanchirwa kubwata tania ebyombe ao naboigo abananchi ase chingwana chabo nonya nabo nigo Kimani Ichung'wah abaga koenekia abuna ase eikieye ase ike egocha nigo batachie gokora chingwana ase ngencho yokorwari baga kubwatkana nemiroberio ao yego korekana gati abo musangirikano mu kwanira mangana yogonchorera kwerire ayo arakorekane guchaka chitariki isnye goika chitariki isano nemo.
We have concurrently also written to the multi-sectoral working group on the realization of the 2/3 gender rule, because they're also working on an issue that that is also before us, and we have expressed our desire as among the stakeholders to be engaging with those two teams. As we have also noticed in today's print media, the advertisement or the announcement for receipt of memoranda from stakeholders and from Kenyans is already out, and we do expect that in the next few days, Kenyans will be submitting their memoranda to the National Dialogue Committee. Our technical team and our secretariat will be working the whole of next week to allow them time to receive this memoranda from the members of the public, as they also put together the issues as prioritized for discussion by the National Dialogue Committee.
Waziri w'uburendi w'eme Kithure Kindiki na inda sentunda yendeni go abaka gotara wikase amagacho yoko bwatoka chi passport anyayo ausimi mucho Nairobi eryo kolire lyabuna omurobero bwo kubwatoka chi passport ogenderete ase Chinsa mecho yani gagocha magega ya Kindiki kuroye kurege tindi go chiasamangana yobukurumi obubwa abere boko enekiwa anene ase chiabisi echo koirera ogoichorerana nabo igo okonyorwa wo kubwatoka which passport Kindiki nigatere buna chi passport bari bonsi babere bakwerike ire konyora nigo bwente konyora inse yamatuko atano nabere gose ikeyemo nabo igo bari abayetagete asubango kegima konyora inse ye Chinsa emeronke birenenye.
I gave in February, which is every applicant of a passport must receive it within 7 working days, and if it is an emergency, they must receive their document, their passport, within 24 hours. Once we sustain that objective, we will bring that timeline down again, but we want to go step by step.
Numu waziri bw'ekinguru ky'omuriro Davis Chichir amono muteneri omonena se kampani y'ekinguru ky'omuriro nigo baikirana bosyo bwe komiti y'ebunge erokoiraneria amabori kobwatkana nobo gose kobwatkana n'omuchando bw'estima uyobeire gokoenekiwa ase amatuka bwangoiga nigo boigo baganigwa kwerera boikiranu igoro yogoterera kwemeroberio ase geti echinde ya Jomo Kenyatta International ase nonya nabo Chirchir abagako gania komiti y'ebunge kobachingaki erio konyora oroboti oroikiranu korwase aba engineer abakoremeroberio ase.
We did indicate that in 150 milliseconds it happened like in that fraction of a second, and whereas we've got fallback systems for the system to react and stabilize, it's almost like the system being removed off the network completely. And therefore, those are the things. That's why even when I talk about 150 milliseconds, the engineers will explain exactly what happened, how did we lose, and the system was not able to support itself, because in that very, very small fraction of a second, things happened and the system went down. And to a very good extent, Chair, the diesel generation, we showed what the supply was, not what the demand.
Mwancho mwigere na ikire omwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge kegima korenda ya munanda mangino tukanyora senchera ere yobwekiranu gekoragense mona boigo Chinsa isato chamogoroba nere Vincent Onyancha ekrobara bakubwatirana nande Stephen korwa sense media yechosori nyora semero beriansi Ndizi TV na bagotonyora sense moya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na sumutandao Twitter na bagotitwetra Ndizi TV News iri togendere gusanga nabo igo kwembanyia amanke Everlyne chama nero ne KHB channel gicha wikira senchira ya bene nenchire tariane Everlyne Osero twaru burigeri burubya nabo igo emagoroba irentoereru.